Masquera say, More Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga hapa no channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chukua garo subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nas More Zimbabwe tsagigrai, nyaru pisa nyaru netsa nyabuditswa. Na Oppah Muchinguri abuda achibvuma kuti the ED 2030 campaign yava kukonzeresa ma divisions within the party. Zvinzi pane ma factions avapo, imwe iri kupusha for the ED 2030, imwe ichipusha for vachiwenga kuti vaonekwe vachitora chinyanga mure Zimbabwe muna 2028. Nyaya inomira mushe Oppah Muchinguri vabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti chiti kuichochi chinokwanisa kupa the opposition mukana wekuti vainfiltrate the party mure Zimbabwe. Nyaya yabuditswa there is in live on their website vachitaura vachiti a resolution passed by ZANU-PF at its annual conference in Bulawayo last year calling for constitutional amendments to keep President NaMnangagwa in power until 2030 is being exploited by a few individuals to fuel divisions in the party. The party's chairperson, Oppah Muchinguri said on Thursday. Muchinguri said some party activists were being targeted for disciplinary actions in the provinces by those who have weaponized the 2030 slogan. She told the state of the party Indaba at ZANU-PF headquarters in Harare. Allow me to put the 21st National People's Conference Resolution number 1 under spotlight. Party leadership has observed with dismay the abuse of the resolution and the weaponization of the 2030 slogan. She said, the resolution is a collective outcome that cannot be monopolized by a few individuals for personal gain and glory. These few individuals are now exploiting the resolution and the 2030 slogan to provoke discord and petty disciplinary cases. This must stop forthwith. You are all aware that the resolution was and is supported by everyone, hence let us give the requisite party protocol time to process it accordingly. Muchinguri, who is also the defense minister and is seen as an ally of Mnangagwa's ambitious deputy Constantino Chiwenga, appeared to take issue with recent organized attacks on Chiwenga by a section of the party who sang songs denigrating him at the National Heroes Acre while extolling Mnangagwa. Muchinguri claimed this posed a national security threat without explaining. She railed, "It is shameful for any leader to always be seized with primitive and sometimes barbaric political bickering which divides the party. Such behavior is a bonus arsenal for our opposition. The consequences of such a smear campaign amongst ourselves is the propagation of artificial factionalism. Our president and the entire presidium must be protected by shunning factionalism, which is a mere figment of imagination by self-serving individuals. This then denigrates into a national security risk." Claiming that opposition politics is currently dead, Muchinguri said, "Divisive elements within have become our great undoing." She added, "Even some of our own affiliates, like the churches, are now being infiltrated by the enemy within." Mnangagwa is in his second and final term as president, but some of his fanatical supporters, mainly elites surviving on patronage, are pushing an agenda to amend the constitution and remove term limits. The plan faces many legal and political hurdles, with Chiwenga reportedly opposed to it. Mnangagwa insists he will step down when his term ends in 2028, but few believe in him. Tomabuditsiro katika nyaya iyi netizim live muri Zimbabwe zvinza zvinakumira mushe. Oppah Muchinguri abvuma kuti bato rava kuparara between the fight nekure fight between Chiwenga and Mnangagwa abuda. Zim live yakabuda achitaura iye achiti Oppah Muchinguri is trying to stop the fierce fight between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. Abuda achitaura achiti ZANU-PF National Chairperson Oppah Muchinguri has stepped in to mediate the escalating power struggle between President Mnangagwa and his deputy Constantino Chiwenga. The two leaders are locked in a fierce battle over the control of the party beyond 2028. They had previously reached a verbal agreement that Chiwenga would take over from Mnangagwa after his second term. However, Mnangagwa has since reneged on this arrangement and is now maneuvering to extend his rule beyond the constitutional mandate. Mnangagwa has been actively rallying his support base to portray him as a near-divine figure, with loyalists pushing for constitutional amendments that would allow him to remain in power. This has heightened tensions within the ruling party, leading to internal divisions. Speaking at a special state of the party Indaba held at the ZANU-PF headquarters in Harare on Thursday, Muchinguri Kashiri acknowledged that the feud has significantly weakened the party cohesion. She condemned the party's information and publicity department for developing a robust social media policy to curb the misuse of online platforms by members. Muchinguri Kashiri urged party leaders to focus on highlighting the party's achievements and fulfilling its promises to the electorate to maintain confidence and support. She emphasized that Mnangagwa and the party's first secretary remains the face of ZANU-PF, warning that any member found denigrating him would face disciplinary action. The Indaba was attended by Politburo members, Central Committee members, Minister of State and Provincial Affairs and Devolution provincial chairpersons, and the senior party officials. Muchinguri reiterated the importance of discipline and adherence to party protocols, stressing that unity is crucial for achieving ZANU-PF's long-term objectives. She also raised concerns about the handling of disciplinary cases, noting that the Provincial Disciplinary Committee were failing to exercise due diligence, warning against unresolved primary election disputes and the misuse of disciplinary processes for personal gain. She said some members are using government resources to campaign in constituencies where they are duly elected MPs. The behavior will not be tolerated, she said, adding that a circular would be issued to address these issues. She also highlighted the need to empower women and veterans of the liberation struggle through self-help economic projects. Muchinguri praised Mnangagwa's initiatives such as the presidential solar ball and loan scheme to war veterans as example of his commitment to national development. The intervention by Muchinguri underscores the severity of the ongoing power struggle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. The rift, which has been simmering since 2017 coup that brought Mnangagwa to power, has now reached a critical point, threatening to destabilize the ruling party ahead of the 2028 elections. While Mnangagwa seeks to extend his grip on power, Chiwenga, who played a pivotal role in 2017 military takeover, is determined to assert his claim to the presidency. Ndonyaya kabulizwa mune Zimbabwe neRizimu ai pamwe chete neRizimu Live tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi, mune hondo here mubate weZANU-PF kana kuti tiudzei zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.